have guests coming in town, so today I'm going to show you how I get this room ready for their arrival. Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in my son's bedroom. Now he does not live at home anymore, but it's still his room when he comes home. Our house is a 3-bedroom house. So when he's not here, this room also serves as our guest room. Now, we are having guests coming in town this weekend, and it is a friend of mine and her husband that I have not seen in, gosh, almost 30 years. So I'm super excited. They're coming into town for a wedding and they're gonna stay here at our home. So I wanna try to make this room feel as comfortable as possible so that they can enjoy their time here. So let me first show you around. Okay, so there is our front door, and this is my son's kind of suite. This is the main bathroom. So like when guests come over, this is the bathroom they use. It's not attached to his room, but his room is right there. So when we built the house, we had this barn door put in so that when he is home and he needs to get dressed, he can just close this door and he has his privacy. As well as when guests come over, they can close this door and they have the whole kind of suite shut off for privacy. So this is his bedroom, and when he's not home, this is where I store my lighting equipment. But anyway, there's a queen size bed, and there's a nightstand there. There's a small nightstand here that I bought for staging, but I think for right now, I'm gonna use it, I'm just gonna keep it in here, but I'm trying to decide if I wanna get a lamp for this side as well. I probably will, but anyway. So they have this right here, and then a TV stand, and then there's the closet. So here is, oh yeah, and I did that. Poor painting, isn't that cute? I mean, I think so, but anyway, I digress. Here is the bathroom. It's a full bath. It's got a bathtub with a shower, and then there's a cabinet right there for storage, and then the sink area. So it's a good sized bathroom for my son and for guests when they come in. So now the first thing I'm going to do to get ready for them is I do need to kind of get this closet situation a little bit better. It's not terrible, but I feel like I need to move some things around. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do. Okay, so here is stuff that belongs to my younger son. I don't know if he's wanting to donate it. I think he is, but so I'm gonna get rid of all that stuff. I have a rug back here that I need to take to my storage unit, as well as this stuff up here, because it is stuff I use for staging. This is stuff, and this down here is stuff that my oldest son has on Poshmark that when he sells it, I get to mail it. So I want this to be moved all the way back. So I need to get that rug out, and yeah, so let me go ahead and get started. I want to make sure that I tell you that today is part of a collaboration, and it's hosted by Jessica at Jessica My Rose, as well as Joy over at Organized with Joy. You are going to find tons of cleaning and decluttering and organizing motivation on their channels. I will have their channels
linked in the description box below. So after you're finished with this video, make sure to go check out their channel.
All right, now as far as this side of the closet, I actually just bought this to put on the bed. Let me move that over. I have a little bit of my home decor up there, so I'm keeping that there. But the rest of the stuff, like this right here, is emergency food. Then a couple of those boxes down there are some that my son needs to keep. Then these boxes right here have like MREs in them. That one does, that one does. And then I like to keep a couple of boxes from Amazon that, because I do have stuff that, are these empty? Yeah, I do have stuff on Poshmark, so I like to keep boxes on hand for that. So I think as far as this side of the closet, this is a little bit more stuff that my son is selling. I may move that over to the other side on top of the other stuff. But anyway, this side is probably just gonna stay like it is. And it's not terrible. So I am done with the closet.
One thing I like to have for guests is this luggage rack. So I put it in the closet so they can set their suitcase on it. And along with that is I like to have hangers for the guests in case they need to hang anything up. If they need to take something out of their suitcase and get it hung, they are going to have plenty of hangers that, that they can hang their clothes on. I also like to have a laundry hamper, and I have this little fold-away mesh laundry hamper, and I'm putting it into the closet. That way, you know, they don't have to try to figure out what they're going to do with their dirty clothes. Another thing is a charger for their phone or their watch, and most of the time people bring their own chargers, but this is just something that I decided I would get just to have for them next to the bedside, just in case they forgot any chargers at home. Now I'm just going to go ahead and strip the bed so that I can wash the sheets and the guests can come in and know that they can have fresh sheets. I'm going to spray the mattress with this 7th generation disinfectant spray. But also, as far as the bathroom, I did want to mention that my husband usually cleans the guest bathroom for me, so that is something he's gonna do. But I do like to make sure that I have plenty of toilet paper visible so they know exactly where to go in case they run out. I have this basket that I filled that stays up in the cabinet above the toilet, and I have this little metal label clip, and I happen to have these labels that I got from Amazon, and one of them says toilet paper. So I'm just gonna put a label on the plastic bin so that if they do run out of toilet paper, they will know exactly where to go to get more. I also definitely want to make sure that you know that not only will I have Jessica's and Joy's link in the description box, but I will also have a link to the playlist of all of the other YouTube creators that are taking part in this collaboration. Make sure to check out that playlist. Now that the toilet paper's put away, there is a basket that I keep on the tank of the toilet, and in it is just a little plant, and I also like to have some lotion, some air freshener, and an extra roll of toilet paper.
That I always make sure is in a guest room, especially for guests who have never been here, I make sure I have this, and I think I got it from Hobby Lobby, but I just put the Wi-Fi password, and that way they don't feel awkward having to ask me for it. Something I think is important to have in a guest bedroom, especially for someone who's never been to your house. They may not feel comfortable, asking for something, but I'm gonna make a basket full of things from water to snacks to toiletries. So it's gonna be here in the room so that they will have, pretty much anything they need.
If you're new to my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like cleaning and home organizing, home decor, as well as cooking and shopping hauls, then I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube family. Please click that subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell button so you don't miss any of my videos. I do like to have 2 sets of pillows on the bed just in case, the pillow preferences are different. So this gives them a little option. I'm almost finished in this room. So the last couple of things that I do are dusting and vacuuming. So I'm just gonna dust all of the wood surfaces, and then I'm gonna vacuum the floors. Again, I would like to say thank you so much to Jessica and Joy for hosting this collaboration. Make sure that you go visit their channels after you're finished here, and also go check out the playlist because some of my friends have taken part in this collaboration and they have some great content for you. It's not only cleaning, you may see some cooking as well. So make sure to go check out that playlist. I also want to say thank you so much to those of you who are subscribed and you support my channel so much. I really am so appreciative. And again, if you are new, make sure to click that subscribe button. Click the bell button so you don't miss any of my videos. And everyone, give this video a big thumbs up because it does let YouTube know that you're watching. And if you want to see how I organize my closet, then go ahead and click the box you see on the screen now. I will see you next time. Bye.